Welcome, in front of me is an INFINIX Hot 11, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key, then you want to hold your power off option, and once the device turns off, give it a second. You want to then hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. Now that's kind of weird. There we go. For some reason I didn't want to boot into this right here screen, so I tried to let go of the power key as soon as the logo appeared. Now once you see this with no command, hold power key, press volume up, and voila, you're in recovery mode. Now in this mode, you'll need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, the option right here are things like reboot system now, which takes you back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the phone. So like I mentioned, whatever you select, you'll then confirm with power key, and because I wanted to leave, I stuck with the first option, rebooting system, which, like I mentioned, takes back to the Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.